kiss me in the morning.
Yo, good morning. Ako nga pala si J.I. Tabada from Vincent Point. Ngayon nga ikikilalali natin si Sarah Geronimo at aalamin natin kung paano siya sumikat sa larangan ng musika. Let's go!
Sarah Asher Tua Geronimo, born July 25, 1988, is a Filipino singer and actress. Her accolades include a Billboard Women in Music Award, 16 Awit Awards, and 28 Mix Music Awards. Tatler magazines named her one of the most influential people in Asia in 2021, and Billboard Philippines named her as the Woman of the Year in 2024.
The grand finals of the Star for a Night. The Star for a Night is Sarah Geronimo, champion!
Sa murang edad ay sumali sa maraming iba't ibang singing contests. Ang unang kanyang sinalihan ay ang Tuklas Talino na pinangunahan ng Philippine Long Distance Telephone Company PLDT. Ang Star for a Night na hino-host ni Miss Regine Velasquez ay maaaring ituring na ang singing contest na nagbigay daan kay Sarah tungo sa kanyang pagiging sikat. Geronimo has received numerous international awards and recognitions including Gold Global Sound Award in Australia 2015 for her song Kilometro. Best Asian Artist at the Met Asian Music Awards in Hong Kong 2012. Best Selling Philippine Artist at the World Music Awards in Monaco 2014. Best Southeast Asian Act at the MTV Europe Music Awards in the United Kingdom 2014. Best Asian Performer at the Classic Rock Awards in Japan 2016. These awards and recognitions demonstrate Geronimo's global appeal and her significant contributions to the music and entertainment industry. Si Sarah Geronimo ay sikat dahil sa kanyang talento sa pagkanta at pag-arte. Siya ay may malakas at malambot na boses, kakayahang magbigay ng emosyon sa kanta, at husay sa pag-arte sa pelikula at teleserye. Bukod dito, si Sarah ay may natural na karisma at stage presence, at isa ring mabuting tao at role model. Kaya siya ay naging inspirasyon para sa maraming tao at may malaking impluensya sa industriya ng musika at entertainment.
Muli, ako po si Sarah Geronimo, isang Pilipina. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang OPM. Thank you, Billboard. Thank you, Lord!